So I wanted to take you through how I do the ceiling girts. The middle row was the hardest. I had to just use straps hanging from the purlins to do those, but once I got that one in place, I was able to basically clamp off onto the other, so I can clamp a piece of stud, a stud to the other ceiling girt, and then I clamp it up the run, and so that way when I go out to the far edge, then on this side there's something to set the girt on. So then when I go to this side that I'm going to screw off, and hang the stud out and set it on the ledge and push it in tight to where it butts into the other one, and then I can screw that other side off.